Problem solver gusher bearing. Metal-to-metal design provides strength and allows grease to flow through bearing surface for reduced friction and long life. GREASEABLE socket. Reduces corrosion and wear by allowing new lubricant to flush contaminants. Keeps dirt and water out. Pre-installed dust boot shield socket components from wear causing contaminants. Absorbs impact. Belleville preload washer helps keep the bearing package tight as bearings wear. Quiet operation. Premium pre-installed bushings with optimized stiffness inhibit noise for a more comfortable ride. MOOG High Utilization Designs are designed for heavier loads and more punishing roads when extra strength, durability and confidence is required. Top reviews from the United States. Quality. Put these on my 07-2500 HD Classic Body Style Duramax. I have a 6-inch lift kit with the upper control arm in the factory position. Parts seem sturdy and have a nice quoting on them. The only thing I wish these had was greaseable.